Yes. Why are you calling me? What? You're missing me? Listen, it was just one night stand. Don't call me anymore.
Hey baby, how are you? Okay, be ready at 9 p.m. I'll pick you up. Bye, see you. Wow, where are you lovely lady?
I'm your desire from Temptation Agency for tonight. We take care of our regular customers.
Really? Then come in.
It's a very isolated area here.
Yeah, I like to write peacefully.
Oh, you're a writer then?
Yes.
I like writers. And I like whiskey.
Oh, sure. You want one?
So, what genre of writing do you do?
I'm writing about criminals and investigations.
Oh, that's a nice subject.
Yeah. I like uncover fraudsters and criminals.
Oh.
And I like them suffering.
I'm sure putting such people in jail is the best thing ever. And even seeing them dying. Oh, so let's cheers to putting the really bad people in the right place. Hmm?
Cheers. You're so sexy. What is your name, by the way?
What do you want it to be?
Oh, I like it. The agency always should bring you to me.
Are you okay?
Sarah, what did you do to me?
When you go to hell, Andrew, tell them Sarah sent you.
What? Looking for your powerful friends to help you?
What did you put in my drink?
What did I put in your drink? Well, I put something very special in your drink. Something that would taste like weakness.
Why are you doing this thing?
It will kill you slowly but surely. And why? Well, I came here to destroy your life. Like you destroyed mine.
Sorry, are you crazy?
You took advantage of me while you did the same with all the other bitches before me. And you know what? This behavior's got to stop now.
Take me to the hospital now!
Oh, Andrew. In the remaining time that you have left, think about all the decisions you made and the consequences they had.
What do you want from me? Do you want money?
Money, he says. What I want from you is something you don't possess, unfortunately.
I don't understand.
What I want from you is to be a fucking human being.
Sorry. What happened between you and me? It's done a long time ago. I told him that day, I don't want to see you anymore.
Oh, you don't want to see me, you piece of shit? Well, what about your daughter?
Did you say my daughter?
Don't you want to see her as well?
Did you say daughter? Did you abort on that day?
I was so frustrated that day. I didn't know what to do. I had no money. I had nothing. I didn't want to lose my daughter. Especially because she was from you. I had so much love for you. But you are an animal. An animal.
Are you serious? Suddenly after 5 years you are appearing in my house and you are saying that I have a daughter? I will not buy your story.
You don't buy it. Okay? Check it.
Again. Where is she now?
She's in heaven right now, and that's why you need to go to hell.
I'll try to see what I can do, but how much time do I have?
It's really urgent. She cannot take this easily.
Oh, sorry, doctor. I have to take
No
this.
worries, no worries.
Thank you.
Hello?
Hello? Sarah?
Who's this? Andrew?
Yes, Andrew. How are you?
What brought you to call me now, Andrew?
I know it's weird, but did you visit me yesterday in my home?
No, I did not visit you yesterday. I visited you many times before in your office, but you always avoided me. What do you want now?
I had a weird vision yesterday. Look, I just want to know, honestly. Did you keep the child?
Vision? Or are you finally admitting that you have a daughter?
So it's true. Where is she?
She's dying. I'm here in the hospital with her. She's had a chronic lung disease for the longest time, and yesterday she just stopped breathing and she turned pale and blue. Before that, she told me that she felt somebody was choking her. She scared the living hell out of me, Andrew. I came rushing to the hospital, and now she's in need of critical surgery. And the doctor told me that the insurance doesn't cover this, and I
don't know what to do about this.
Why you didn't tell me all this?
I was thinking last night, just last night, I was thinking if you were a decent, respectable human being, how our lives would have been different.
Which hospital is she?